Remember when I was making healthy recipes all week long? Well, we're not doing that today. We just stopped being healthy because today's all about the surprise. We're kind of bringing back Ballsy Bites. If you don't know what Ballsy Bites is, go check out my playlist, Ballsy Bites. It was a fun show where I stuffed foods into other foods and made really good foods. Anyway, today we're making everything bagel balls. They are fully loaded with a scallion cream cheese, and there's a cheddar cheese infused dough that we're basically wrapping the cream cheese in, and it's just amazing. Also, this takes 20 beautiful minutes. To get started, let's do our ingredient prep. First, chop your scallions. About half a cup goes into the filling, but add however many scallions makes your heart happy. Then get cheddar cheese. It can be pre-shredded or you can shred it yourself. You're also gonna need store-bought crescent roll doughs. Of course, you can make them on your own, but I'm lazy. You're also gonna need everything bagel seasoning, which I got from Aldi for like $2. It's a blend of black and white sesame seeds, poppy seeds, sea salt, and dried garlic. That's usually the combination. Of course, you can make it on your own. Also, if you're low sodium, you can make it on your own and skip the salt. You really don't need all that sea salt on the outside. I love it, but without it, it also tastes just as fabulous. All right, let's get it going. We're gonna add the scallions to 8 ounces of cream cheese. Then we're gonna add our shredded cheddar cheese. Of course, you can use another cheese, but I just love cheddar. Mix that up until combined, like that. Yes. Now we're gonna form them into 8 balls that are equal sized. I'm just rolling them in clean hands. Don't worry, I washed those bad boys. And if you have any left over, just add a little more to the smallest ones that you've got, like I'm doing here. I'm just kind of zhuzhing up 3 that were looking a little sad. And now they're happy. Take that crescent roll dough and unroll it into the individual triangles. Usually there's 8 in a pack. Then I'm putting cheddar cheese on the crescent roll dough and kind of pressing it in, folding that triangle and pressing it into the cheese. Now we have cheese infused dough. Put the cream cheese ball in the middle and wrap the dough around it, kind of like a little dumpling. And make sure you are cinching the edges, encasing that cream cheese inside. Just be careful when you're rolling it. You don't want to press too hard and break the dough, which would lead the cream cheese to come out. Treat this like a delicate little gift. Once you're done, roll it in the everything seasoning on a plate and repeat with all the balls. Line them on a sheet pan and get ready for some egg wash. Dip them in the egg wash, and then you're gonna use a pastry brush to rub it all over the sides. Don't skimp out on the egg wash. I'm just using 1 egg that's scrambled, but of course you can use 2 or 1 plus water. And then just air fry or bake. If you're baking, follow the instructions on your packaging. And if you're air frying, I did 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 minutes. Easy, breezy, bagel balls go easy. These are just too good. I also love how you can add whatever you want to your cream cheese. You can make these sweet, roll them in cinnamon sugar. You can make them savory like I did. You can just do sesame seeds. You can make it an onion bagel with dried onions on the outside. You can have a lot of fun with it. So get creative, have fun. Worst comes to worst, you have an ugly, failed bagel ball and you'll still eat it anyway. On that note, you know I'm gonna go eat these. I gotta find a new show. Can you please comment new shows to watch? Because I'm so upset. I finished Desperate Housewives last night and I miss them so much. Okay. Bye.